Hello kids! Today we are going to cover the phonic sounds and the formation of uppercase letters and the lowercase letters. So are you ready? Are you excited to begin? Yay! Let's get started with the first letter. A. A sounds apple. Apple. It's a yummy and healthy fruit. B sounds bird. Bird. Birds can fly using their wings. C sounds car. Car. It has 4 wheels and it takes us places. D sounds dog. Dog. It's human's best friend. E sounds envelope. Envelope. Oh, we can write letters and put in envelopes. F sounds frog. Frog. It's green in color and is an amphibian. G sounds grapes. Grapes. They're found in green color as well as purple and black. H sounds hat. Hat. Ooh, it saves us from sunshine. I sounds igloo. Igloo. Ooh, it's so cold. It keeps us warm and cold. J sounds juice. Juice. Yummy. Yummy in my tummy. K sounds key. Key. It's used to open the door, open the lock. L sounds leaf. Leaf. Oh, lovely leaf. M sounds moon. Moon. It's found in the night sky. Well done, kids. You're doing great. Keep going. You're doing wonderful. N sounds notebook. Notebook. And we write in the notebook and do wonders. O sounds orange. Orange. They are rich in vitamin C. P sounds penguin. Penguin. Ooh, it's a flightless bird. Q sounds quilt. Quilt. It keeps us warm. R sounds ring. Ring. S sounds sun. Sun. Do you know sun is a star? T sounds t, tree. Tree, and it's green in color. U sounds umbrella. Umbrella. It's used in sun as well as rain. V sounds violin. Violin. Nice sound. W sounds watch. Watch. Oh, it's time. Let's learn. X sounds xylophone. Xylophone. Y sounds yacht. Yacht. Z sounds zebra. Zebra. It's a wild animal with black and white stripes. And it's the last letter. Good job, kids. You've done a great job.